Hey guys, we're gonna be doing a fire alarm tour of the Hwathorne Hotel. We got some very rare alarms here that I don't know the brand of, but we have others too. I do know this one. This will be like 7002T. Some real thing I don't know. A BG. What is this? BG6, I think. Down here, we got another one of these rare alarms. A BG6. I'm only gonna show you like 2 or 3 of the floors, guys. I really don't know the brands of these things. BG6, rare alarm. I'm gonna show you the third floor, and that's it. Because I really don't want to walk up all the stairs. Rare BG6. Some rare alarm. Rare alarm BG. Oh, that's mine. What is that? Oh my god.
I'm trying to think to myself.
We got a spectacular classic. How about that? Down there we got that rare alarm in the BG6. But that's cool. That's gonna be really loud too.
Have it right there, and then when we're done, we'll bring it down and put it in an order.
I don't know the alarms here, so. But if anyone knows what kind of alarm that is, please tell me. Bye.